We divide 795 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So 795 divided by 5 is 159. So this much for today and thanks for watching.